Hi guys, this is an unboxing for a Quadcopter Aerocraft Discover TX4. It's for ages 14 and up, and as you can see, it has all these features, and it's easy to fly on the screen. Unfortunately, I don't have batteries to really show the aircraft in motion, but it comes with warning labels and attention. And here's what it looks like, the back. It comes with a manual here, and as you can see, it came with extra parts. And let me get this out without damaging it. I can't do this with one hand. Anyways, so here's the pad. And does this come off? Yeah, this comes off. Is it? Yeah, I think so. Because it looks like that on the box. So that's just a protection you need to remove. Anyways, this is what it looks like, what you get, and hope you enjoy this unboxing. I'll see you next time. Bye.